Hello, my name is Logan and I am going to teach you how to make a waffle. First, you're going to get all your ingredients out. And the ingredients for this waffle are 2 large eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first, we're gonna crack the eggs, and you're gonna put them in this bowl. So I'm cracking egg 1. Make sure you don't get any shells in there. You don't want like shells in there or eggs. I mean, they're waffles. After that, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I already measured it out. And there you go. Now you're going to put 1 3/4 cup of milk. So here's my milk. And you're going to measure out 1 3/4. There you go. Put that in there. Now what you want to get is your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I have it in this bowl here. Put that in there. Now you're going to take a tablespoon of white sugar. Here's my white sugar. Here's my tablespoon. Make sure it's level. Put that in there. Now you're gonna want 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So here's my baking powder. I gotta grab my teaspoon, which is in here hopefully. Put it the teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Make sure it's level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So, got my salt. You want 1/4 of this. It's about 1/4. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so now that we all got it all in the bowl, we're going to come over here to the mixer and put these joes in here. You're going to turn it on and you're going to start mixing. So you know you're done mixing when everything is, can I see the phone please? When everything looks like this. It looks nice and watery and there's no clumps of anything in here. Alright, so the waffle's done. I like taking a fork to get it out. So it's a little hot. But there you have it. That's your waffle for you.